What if I told you Liberty Mutual was hiring a remote position offering up to $197,000? Sounds like a great job? We're going to get into the details today. This is going to be a good one, so you're not going to want to miss it. Stick around, and I'm going to break down all the details in this video. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much for being here and welcome. My name is Sharice, and I help professionals just like you land six-figure opportunities with confidence and with ease. So today we're looking at a position at Liberty Mutual, fully remote, making up to a maximum of $197,000. But I have to tell you, to apply for a position of this caliber, you're going to need a resume. And not just any resume, not your old, tired, used, recycled resume. You're going to need a resume tailored specifically for this position. And if you need support with that, I got you covered. I have my resume kit linked below. And it's going to come with the templates for the resume, the cover letter, the reference pages, and also pre-written paraphrases and keywords you can plug and play on your resume. I have already done the work for you. All you have to do is fill in the resume with your credentials, plug in those keywords that are already pre-written and those paraphrases that are already set up for you, and craft a resume tailored specifically to this position. So this is a good one. Let's jump into the details of this job. So the title of today's position is Program Manager, Talent Pipeline Strategic Workforce Planning. Again, this is a remote position. Let's look at the details of what they are looking for. So right off the top here, the typical salary for this position is going to range from $123,000 all the way to $155,000. And they're saying the minimum salary is going to be $104,000, but the maximum salary, $197,000. Yes, so let's look at the details of this position and what you'll be doing at Liberty Mutual. The Program Manager, Talent Pipeline Strategic Workforce Planning will be part of the People, Purpose, and Brand Talent Pipeline Organization. And that's a team that partners with business function leaders to define talent needs for today and tomorrow, and also co-create offerings in service of selecting and developing their talent and evolving their diverse global workforce. So you're going to be responsible for setting and maintaining the strategic workforce planning capability to support a skills-based talent strategy. So they also want you to know here, a successful candidate will play a pivotal role in developing, implementing, and managing workforce planning strategies that align with their organizational goals and ensure they have the right talent in the right roles at the right time. So this role requires a strong analytical mindset, excellent communication skills, and the ability to collaborate effectively across departments. And they also want you to know, as a part of the pipeline planning and programs team, you will also provide global thought leadership, which may include partnering, guiding, and directing other talent professionals who design and implement solutions that can be scaled across the enterprise. So let's look at the responsibilities for this position. So the first one here, workforce strategy design and development. You're going to design and execute comprehensive workforce planning strategies that support the company's short-term and long-term business objectives. You're also going to be doing data analysis. You're going to utilize workforce data to identify trend gaps and opportunities. You're going to partner with talent analytics team to prepare and present findings to talent business partners and senior management to facilitate informed decision making. And next, talent forecasting. You're going to collaborate with talent business partners and business leaders to forecast talent needs based on current and future business demands. Next, skills architecture and role segmentation. You're going to optimize workforce resources by assessing current skills and capabilities and making recommendations for hiring, training, and development initiatives. So right here, this list is already a comprehensive list of the skills and the types of tasks and things you have done previously, you're going to want to put that on your resume. Can you speak to these particular skills and these particular responsibilities that you'll have in this role? If you have done something similar or something in the range of these specific bullet points, you're going to want to put that on your resume, how you have done this task and how you were successful at it. So next here, we have stakeholder collaboration. You're going to work closely with cross-functional stakeholders from HR, finance, and operations teams to ensure alignment of workforce plans with business priorities. So if you have worked on different types of teams, cross-functionally, horizontally, vertically, you're also going to want to put that on your resume. And it may not be one for one in the insurance industry, but whatever industry you have worked in, or any other roles you've had where you had to work with different departments, people in different organizations or different segments or different industries or sectors, you're going to want to put how you work cross-functionally and collaboratively with different types of people in different roles. So next, we have program development and process improvement, designing scalable workforce planning processes and tools for enterprise-wide adoption. Next, we have change management. Lead change management initiatives related to workforce planning and ensure smooth transitions during organizational changes and restructure. And lastly, here we have talent management. Strong understanding of talent management principles, including talent acquisition, talent development, and retention. So again, this is a very comprehensive list of keywords that you can take and put specifically onto your resume to tailor for this position. You just want to take what you have previously done and plug in these keywords, plug in how you have done these responsibilities and these tasks in your previous experience. And again, if you need support with that, I have my DIY resume kit linked below, and that is going to come with the templates for the resume, the cover letter, and the reference pages. And it doesn't stop there. It also comes with the power phrases and keywords and pre-written section that you can plug and play on your resume for this position. So if you need support with that, that is going to be linked below in the description. So moving on down here, let's look at the qualifications. So they're asking that you have a bachelor's degree in human resources, business administration, or a related field. They're saying a master's degree is preferred, but that is not required. They also want you to have 8+ years of experience in workforce planning, strategic HR roles, or related fields. And I love that they put related fields here, because if you do not have maybe specific experience, or you may have a variety of experience within these 8+ years, you're just going to want to speak to how your experience is relevant for this position. And you're also going to want to highlight the passion and the results you have gotten in your previous roles. So maybe you've done something in a career that is unrelated, but you can speak to the different bullet points they have highlighted up here. That is also going to be key for your resume to get your foot in the door. So next, they're asking for you to have demonstrated experience in building and managing workforce planning programs in a complex organization. Also, proven experience in project management with a strong organizational and leadership skills. They want you to be familiar with DEI principles in workforce planning. Also, exceptional analytical and problem-solving abilities with a strong command of data analysis tools and techniques. And here, if you have used maybe Excel and maybe you haven't used the highly technical data analytics tools, that's okay. Put what you have used and how you have used it on your resume. They just want to know that you have the analytical and problem-solving abilities. You can always learn tools and techniques along the way. Next, they also want you to be an excellent communicator and have excellent interpersonal skills with the ability to influence stakeholders at all levels. So here, your communication and your interpersonal skills, you're going to want to highlight that on your resume as well, and speak to how you have had influence in your previous position, or how you have convinced a group of people or convinced a stakeholder or someone within your organization to follow your vision and your lead. They're also looking for proficiency in HCM, human capital management systems, and workforce planning software. Experience with data visualization tools is a plus, but again, not required. And if you maybe don't have extensive knowledge with these HCM systems and softwares, go ahead and do a Google search, brush up on what is industry standard, and see if there is a certification or a course you can take to get you up to speed to apply for this position and future positions. They also want you to have knowledge of labor market trends and employment law, which is preferred, not required, preferred. And lastly, certification in HR is a plus, but not required. So if you like this position, I urge you, go ahead and apply to it today because positions like this do not last long. And again, if you need help getting your resume together for this job, I have my DIY resume kit linked below. And this amazing kit, it's so comprehensive. It's going to come with the resume, the cover letter, the reference page templates, and also already pre-written keywords and paraphrases that you can plug and play on your resume. I've already done a lot of the work for you, and all you have to do is plug in the keywords from the kit, match them with this posting, and infuse your experience. Put your own spin on it and shine through that resume. That is how you will stand out. So I just want to thank you so much for being here. Let me know how you like this posting and let me know what types of jobs you are looking for. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and also subscribe to this channel because I put out new videos every single week, so you're not going to want to miss it. Your dream job just might be in one of these videos. So go ahead and subscribe today. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.